Hello, welcome kids once again. As usual, my name is Evans Ifuatikwao and one of the following teachers in CIA. In full, we say Cambodia Intellectuals Academy. Yeah, I'm here again to take you or to continue the phonics lesson with you. Okay, now today we are coming to learn the letter after letter X. And this letter is in the shape of this. What letter shape is this? Yes? Okay, so if you're able to say this letter, you are correct. Good. So today we are coming to learn letter Y. Letter Y. Now you can see two different shapes. The first one is written in blue color and we call it as uppercase Y. Uppercase Y. And the next one is also written in red color and that's the lowercase y. Lowercase y. So you have the uppercase Y and lowercase y. The two has the same name but different shapes. Good. Okay, so as I said earlier on, this is the uppercase Y and this one is the lowercase y. This letter Y has a sound and the sound was taken from eating yogurt. That is J, 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 J. Okay, yeah, so you can practice with me. Let's go, the sound when we are eating yogurt with a spoon. Okay, J, 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 J. Good job. So we say letter Y has the sound J, J, J. Y, J, J, J. Y, J, J, J. Okay, good. So now we know the letter name and its sound. So let's look at some words that start with the sound J or letter Y. Okay, now the first picture is about a wonderful, beautiful color. Yes, and that color look like gold. Yes, so what color has come to your mind? Yes? Okay, that's my favorite color. So this is my favorite color. Yes, so we see this is yellow, 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 yellow. Good. So good. So this is yellow. Now let's pronounce the word with a sound. Good. So we say Y, J, J, yellow. Y, J, J, yellow. Y, J, J, yellow. And this is how we write the word yellow. Okay, so yellow, Y, E, W. Good. So this is yellow. And the letter here underlined sound Y. Y. So we say Y. 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 Yellow. Y. 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 Yellow. Good job. Okay, good. Now, I also have a wonderful picture to show you, and this one is food that we eat. It's also very sweet. Yes, and I like to eat. Yes, and what food is that? Okay, here is it. What food is this? Yeah, also very sweet. Yes. Yes. So this one too is my favorite food. Yes. So you see my favorite color and my favorite food. Okay, good. And this one is yam. 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 Good. So good. So now let's pronounce this with a sound. So we say Y. 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 Yam. Y. 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 Yam. Once more. Y. 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 Yam. Okay, you can practice with me before we continue the lesson. Okay, good job. Okay, now let's look at how we can write the word yam. So yam, say Y A M, yam. Y A M, yam. Again, Y A M, yam. Good. So now let's take it once again. Y. 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 Yam. Y. 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 Yam. Okay, good job. Yes. Now we are coming to take my last picture for you, and my last picture already I have introduced it to you. Yes, it's one of the sweetest kind of ice cream that I like best. Have you seen that? And we are kids, we normally used to eat that. Okay, yes, and then here is it. What is this? Okay, yogurt, 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 yogurt. Good. I know you like it. Yeah, I know you like it. Yes, you like yogurt. Okay, good job. Good. Good, 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 good job, good job. Yes. So okay, so now let's also pronounce the word here with a sound. Okay. Now start with me. Y. 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 Yogurt. Y. 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 Yogurt. Again. Y. 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 Yogurt. Okay? Yes. You can practice with me before we continue the lesson. Good job. So once again, Y, yogurt. And this is how we write the word yogurt. Also start with the letter Y. O G U R T, yogurt. So let's take it once more. Y, yogurt. Y, yogurt. Okay, now you know the letter name and its sound, and some words that also start with the sound J or the letter Y. Now let's look at how we can write the letter Y itself. Okay, now pay attention and then you can trace with me. So let's do it together. So to write letter Y, the uppercase, you first start at a point like this. You draw a small sloping line. Then you draw another one, but here you start from the bottom to the top. Okay, then you draw a line to join the point of the two sloping lines. Okay, so you draw like this, nicely. Okay, so this is the uppercase Y. Now let's trace to get the full shape of letter Y. Okay, so you trace. Good. Then you bring it down. Good. So this is the uppercase Y. I told you earlier on, the Y shape is like this. Okay, good job. Now this is the uppercase Y. Let's look at the lowercase y. And this is the lowercase y. You also start at a point. You come downwards, then you curl like this, and then you start another line to join. Here, you start at a point, you come downwards, here too you curl to left, and then upwards. So this is the lowercase y. So now let's trace to get the full shape. Okay, slowly, then you come downwards, you carry your hand, good. So this is the lowercase y. So now we have the uppercase y and the lowercase y. Okay, so now let's quickly go over. Now this is the letter name y, and it sounds j. Again, j. Good. And here are some words that start with the sound j. Okay, so you say y, j, yellow. Y, j, yellow. Y, Yam. Y, yam. Yogurt. Yogurt. Okay, now let's look at how these words are being spelled or are being read. Okay, so the first one is yellow. Yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W. Again, yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W. Good. And the next one is yam. Yam, Y-A-M. Yam, Y-A-M. Good. And the last one is yogurt. And yogurt, Y-O-G-U-R-T. Again, Y-O-G-U-R-T. Yogurt. Okay, now, and this is how we can trace or write the shape of letter Y, both the uppercase and the lower case. Okay, so now this is all about today's lesson, and for more videos, I assure you to follow us through our YouTube channel. You subscribe and then you click on notification bell so that whenever that we drop any video, you get it to watch. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.